Lamos.
Hoy, pagbalik mo sa mga giningkuran, be. Sa balik kami sa sitting arrangement. Yan, balik. Bye, tabaan.
Lawat. Leaks. Wala sabi, walang may tubig. Walang gabi ini.
Ayaw basa si Rinche, kaya mabukhat si Rinche.
Ay, lubog mo yan, sir.
Pero sa ilong man nagawa si Rinche.
Dua na iso. Please, adam. Ah, naman na para din mo. Sakat mo. Hindi mo gulit. Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Idaro lang ito.
Class, na-receive na niyo itong link. Nag-pasend ako na nakikinig yun. Tuwa na ito ng PPT files sa kabirik na ito sa... Easy rin sa kasya ba? Hindi mo na ako bang kanto kayo para makikita ninyo. So class, tuwa-tuwa ka na PPT nga ako na-discuss yung atong sugod pero wala na ako ang PPTs ni Ma'am Kahano. So mag-apply ko procure na pala. Happy na ba itong folder. And then tuwara to, lahat ng PPTs, also the quizzes are also there. So you can really study for your summative assessment. Pwede naman ito. Marami ito, tip na class, you try re-answering the quizzes. To reinforce your learning ba. So after reading and after studying, you re-answer the quizzes para ma-practice. Okay? Kaya tayo. Sila na kung may nusan, kidugay. Yan, number 2. Class, kapalaro mo kung saan mag-access sa Google Drive. So if na may Google Drive sa inyong phone, you just click the link niya, mo-open na sa drive, and then you can download it from there. So there are 12 PPTs sa drive. Kaya kapura mo na ako ito ni Guardo pa gabi. Pin lang niya, or ibaw. Basta class, nag-send ako ninyo again. Nag-send ako sa link, so send lang ko ako ka nagkakag-send. Nag-forward ako. Nakapait, ako na sa akin.
Acacia, nandama yung classroom dito na tayo visitor mo, sir. Ang yung area of responsibility, kinukuha ang inyong mga bag, yung mga sapatos, inyong mga cardboard, gana ilang sa likuran ng lamig kaupan. Pero bago na ng mga sapatos,
Chairs, pag-arrange kayo ng galat. Uy, nalingkuran na nila. Malagos kayo nag-arrange. Uy, aray, make it. Uy, yan. Ayun, lagi mo siya sa rin. Hindi, may papel na mo.
di ba late na?
Ikaw, ikaw na nga yung paglutuan. Mas gawin na, may wala na siya na.
Sir, kung sino siya Sir,
Oh,
sino siya nandito po?
okay nga po, Bridget. Ikan siya ni Bridget. Ano lagi yung mga kawan niya? Zero.
Number 1.
Class. So, ngayon ang oras niyo gamay ba? Okay, man sila. Minsan. So, maka-extend yung tayo. Ano sala sa akin? Extend yung tayo. Sige. Hindi, madong na. Nagawa ng pare yan. Sige. Kaya kang breakdown. Ako rin nalagyan ngayon, wala si Imam Bro. Laro kang taba. Jadi pausap niya ang mga please.
Baro ko yung luto sa nagsige na lang sa
Okay, class, stand up. Take in.
Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Morning, class.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, teachers.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Kamusta man ang math combination yesterday? Kapila ko ang place sa brigada? Kapila ka sa mga place? Tarong skill ba? Still, congratulations. And then, okay, going back to our discussion. Kasi nawanin na yung learning stuff last week. Kaya nakaagay yung weekends yung math combination yesterday. So let's have a short review. So what was our discussion last meeting? Causes of plate movement. So what are the 3 causes of plate movement? Okay, Comendador. Convection, current, slab pull, and reach. But specifically, we discussed last meeting only about convection. Okay, so to test out if whether you're still learning to retain your mind even though the weekends is already passed, let's have a short game. So I call this game, rather they call this game the fact of love. So kapag ano sa mechanics na guys, so you just have to guess whether it's a fact or a bluff. I have here 5 questions. So I'll be calling students who come here sa laptop because he or she will be the one to choose their question. Okay? So Miss Montante, you're the first lucky winner for our today's lotto. Okay, come here sa board. So i-manipulate lang ako sa laptop. So choose your number. 1, 2, 3. Pili na. So number 3 ang na-pili. So the question is, the asthenosphere is in a semi-fluid state which acts as a conveyor belt of the tectonic plate movement. So Miss Montante, is it a fact or a bluff? So you just click here. Now make one cursor. And fact or bluff. So semi-fluid siya. You are wrong. So that's it. Bluff daw, ano? So actually class, the asthenosphere is dominated by magma which are in fluid form. So, di ba naka-discuss naman last meeting na the magma behaves like a solid and a fluid and a liquid at the same time. So that's a magma. So it's wrong. Okay, so going back. May I have here Mr. Morales? So wala number 4 ha? Wala yung balik sa same number. 3. Oh, number 3 is number 3 daw. Okay, pilit niya number 2. So read the number 2, Mr. Morales.
Connection current depends on the proximity from the heat source.
So is it a fact or a bluff? Here's your answer. So proximity from the heat source drives the convection current. Diba? Nakadiscuss na last time na the closer to the core, kung sa metabo, the hotter it is. Okay? So we have 3 questions left. So may I have here Mr. Abrigana, our 4th placer for yesterday's Rubik's Cube competition. So nakuha na ang 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3 na. So 1, 4, and 5 na. They can read the question.
Convection current is the rising and falling of hot and cold materials.
Okay, click mo answer. Fact or bluff? Right. Thank you, Mr. Abrigana. So convection current class happens when hot air goes up and cold air goes down. Okay, so for the remaining 2 questions, may I have here Miss Vikian? Ano ito mga number? 1. Now take 4 or 5. The 5 yung page. So can you read Miss Vikian?
Just like mechanical conveyor belts, the asthenosphere has convection currents that acts as roller sheets.
Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 1. So you are correct. So mechanical conveyor belts and the asthenosphere works in a similar manner. Okay, pakiramdam siya na naghihil. Kung sa mechanical conveyor belt, katong roller sheets, ari sa asthenosphere katong convection. Okay, and for the last number, may I have here Mr. Morales. Last but not least. So number 4 na ito. So mga last.
The asthenosphere is the only place where convection current happens.
The fact or bluff? No, you're wrong. Okay, thank you, Mr. Morales. Di ba class, convection current also takes place in the ocean, weather patterns, or in boiling water. So wala kayo sa presence sa asthenosphere. The convection current could be anywhere. Even sa weather kamaroon na convection current that's sa taas going. The rising of hot air, then na may pasingkod na cold air. So it's a repetitive pattern. Okay. So much for review. Napaulay na po. We got ilang to questions na for 3 or 4. So 3 out of 5. So let's now proceed with our new discussion. So I'm presenting you guys moving image. So I want you to tell me what have you observed on this moving image. Kung silang common, kung silang kaparita, kung silang nakita. Kung sa Jinlit, kung silang nakita niyo. One of course. Okay. So sa may direction sa force niya?
Forward.
O forward. Forward. How about this one? Yeah, pull. Yeah. Tinipod. So that's a pull and push process and presence of the image. So sa ka-relate ang pull, push? O ang topic? Diba? Awag. Ka-related natin, no? Pull na kasuot, pero pull. Parang ginamas dyan, take so delivery ba? Kasuot nga, push. Ginagawa pull. Naipagawas pull. Yeah, pull. Even though it's a pull. Naman na, Pinoy yun. So, first class, we have here our class objectives. So, at the end of our class session, 80% of the learners are expected to be able to first explain how slab pull and beach push drives plane movement. Diba, in the previous discussion, na-discuss natin how condension current works, the mechanism of plate tectonics movement. But how about for these two? The slab pull and beach push. Yun sa kanya pagpaliw ng plates. Kasi na may idea, based lang sa nakita na na-pull na ako yung push. Eh, yun sa mga Mr. Mirales. Kasi naka-idea ko. Speak your thoughts. O paano yung nag-gather yung mga thoughts? Okay. So proceed sa ta. After ko ma-answer ng question later on. Kung yung sa convection current, mag-fluid mo sa ibang murag roller leads. So sa kanina ba? Isa pa. So class, di ba, I was saying you just meeting to bring paper clips. So I want you all to ready your paper clips together with your seatmate, your partner, your pair. And then, nga ni buhat na class. Di ba, you have 12 paper clips. I-connect silang tanan. Okay, na-connect na? Advance na sila yun. Okay, so you can get your paper clips. So you connect lang yun until all of them are tied together. Okay, one. You can use it. Wala sa mo. Ano mo dala? Nakalimutan sa news weekend ba? Last week ko na. Okay, sabay makikindi. Okay, program na. Ipasa na sa back. So, hintay ko lang yung paper clips. So, yun na tayo na ng class. After i-connect lang ito ng... Kamu nila, okay na? Okay na, okay. As long as maka-4 bitaw mo shape. Kaya ginahan lang yun. Sige, mana glass, naka-connect na mo. Naka-connect mo sa Wi-Fi. So, yung nga ni buhat na glass. Ganun. Diba? Namo na, mo yung connected ka paper clips. Sa inyo armchair, yan na siya. Balian na vertical. And then, slowly, you push one paper clip off the edge. Bali, ito din yung usa-usa ba? Sige daw, follow daw. Push niya yung usa. Niya. Next ako, nagkaduha. Nakatulo. Nakaupat. So sa killing na siya, 4, 5, tapos 6. At minsan yung taga ka nag-paper clip. Di ba? Sa 4, Like a 7. Taga. Sa inyo ha, minsan pero pa nataga sa paper clip dra. Sige, padayon daw push na rin yun. Kasi yan yung nagpapiktan dra ha. Okay. So class, kung sa'yo na-observe sa paper clips? Kung sa'yo motion? Tigilik yan, paasaw ng paper clips.
Pag sisiniya ka ng nabapo ang nabuhat sa armchair lagi.
Okay, thank you, Miss Liken. So, ano sa Liken class, sa iyo na-observe, iba rin, sila to push. So, nagdungagan ko ng weight, ari sa tumoy. And eventually, ang karat ng mga kabukat ko, overcome niya ang pagkuha na niya paper clip, and eventually, natagap siya paubos. Same ba na itapos ninyo, ha? Pila man ka paper clips, si Yaria? Pila ka paper clips niya before natagap ito na? So, 4. How about sa Yaria? So, 5. So, different, no? Depende pa sa size ko. Kaya sa kuha, 7. Okay, since inclined pa siya rin, so different. Compared sa inyo ang anak nito sa plastic. Okay? So, sa kay rason plus, nga nung natagap ko ng paper clip. Ngunit sa akong aton. Kung sa man yung right physical concept niya, kung sa may force behind, ganun nabira man ito. Tungod sa gravity, si Miss Pamardo. So, di ba kahit na ito, kung jump ta, mabirap ta pa ubos. Ganang mabirap man ito, dito, masagdang nga, no-fly lang ba? So, same na sa paper clips. Yung nga ni-misleak yan nga, eventually, ang kabukaton, na-overcome niya ang react, that's why ang tagakanan. And ang cause na natagag is gravity. Nakuha lang ipakita ang gas. Let's say, ako siya duwagan weight ay. Yung first na nga, second. Ang isa mo, tagap no mas. Compared sa ganyan, kasi mas paspas na tagap. Ano yung ballpen? Tingnan naman na. Kaya mas buat siya. So, how about this one? If the paper clips fell down to the floor because of gravity, aided together with the mass of the object attached to it, what if tectonic plates also behave in the same way? Na mo nang nagalihok siya. Para ninyo, is it a fact or a bluff? A fact? Is it a bluff? Wala. Is it a fact? Wala po. Okay, okay. Teka. Sige, class. So, eyes here, everyone. I'll be showing a short video regarding slab pool, and I want you to listen attentively. Okay?
Slab pool theory states that gravity and the plates themselves are the ones responsible for the plate tectonics through subduction process. As the slab is pulled down into the mantle, it drags the rest of the plate along with it, causing tectonic plate movement. A very dense slab will sink faster than a less dense slab because of the gravitational pull, and it will exert greater force on the plate attached to it. Slab pool theory believes that mantle convection is not the cause of plate tectonics, but rather it is a product of subduction.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Tantan HD. One of the source na ginagamit ever since my discussion. So, ano yung learn class based sa video? Ano daw kung namuliyok ang plates? Subduction, tungod of because of gravitational pull. And then, sa may process na nagtago after. Di ba, ingon si Mirales na atay subduction. Then, ingon si Ligyan na atay gravitational pull. Okay, salamat si Mirales. Express your ideas, share it to your classmates.
Mabira ang rest sa place.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Morales. Alas Mr. Mirales nga, tungod sa kabunaton daw sa plate, mag-drag siya focus, mo nang matagit niya the rest of the plates. So, di ba anak ko niyo ganiha nga, if the paper clips represented the tectonic plate movement, parigara ba siya? So now, answer my answer, fact or a bluff? So it is now a solid fact. Okay? So for our discussion for today, class, it's about the causes of plate movement. Specifically, the slab pull and ridge push. Kaya diba last week, nag-discuss ang the convection current. And there are three, convection current, ridge push, and slab pull. So sa karon, ang ato na nabilin na topic, which is also our last topic for the quarter, is slab pull and ridge pull. So unsay mo come to your mind when you hear the word slab pull? How about ridge pull? So naay mo gira. How about sa ridge push? Naay mo napoy mo. Naay mo tulo daw yung sinis ni Morales. How about the slab pull class? Ano rin yung slab? Kapag mo tayo slab? Ang sige, ang sarang slab is katulad sa sa Minecraft. So napod siya sa mga relation kay sa Minecraft daw kuno slab is katulad sa block. So ano sa dili ang slab? Sige, let's give first the definition of slab kasi wala nang kabalo. So slab is a large, thick, flat piece of stone, concrete, or wood. So typically rectangular. So pareha dito ang picture glass. That is slab. For example, ang flooring. Like forma na. Slab na siya ka ng solid concrete ba? Large, thick, flat piece of concrete. How about sa kanang pagpa-second floor? Example, balay nga akong galo. Sa second floor, kanya, simento, ba ang atok balik. O, kanang tiyang babaw ba? So, sa may tawag ka na. So, sa engineering ng mga kwantas, terminology nila, for example, may magpa-rooftop ko, rooftop. So, balay simento, ni kinibilis sa taas. So, tawag na na slab. Kaya nga naman yung forma ka ng isa big flat piece of stone, concrete. So, muna yung slab, tawag na mga slab. Okay, naklaro na ang slab. So, slab pull. Una, bira ang concrete. So, I have here again a moving image. Kung saan siya ang process? Kung saan siya ang zone? So, this is the process of subduction along the subduction zone. Okay? So, ingon daw sa kuan plus sa, di ba, sa discussion sa convergent boundaries na the denser plate, oceanic plate, will subduct with the continental plate because, ano naman, kay less dense ang continental. So, yung lutar siya, ang continental, ang oceanic, siya. Okay? So, in converging boundaries class, the denser oceanic plate subducts with less dense continental plate due to their difference in density. So, muna lang i-explain sa convergent boundaries na nung subduct daw, pilay sa density. Pero, ingon sa slab pull theory, ano siya nga, this process is further driven by the pull of the slab plate or plate by its own weight by gravity. So, balik ka sa picture. So, ingon daw ko na si slab pull theory, nung subduct daw ko niya, subduct niya, ang weight bitaw niya, mo ay bilang niya pa ilalog. So, similar bitaw class of activity kanina sa paper clips. Nga, as we push it towards the edge, nagtikatagat siya, and eventually, naharos siya o tagag. But also, when I attach a ball pen to it, pasabot na hook up, kasi mas paspas. Di ba ang may ball pen? Ang diingon sa slab pull theory, mas bukat daw puno nga plate, mas paspas ng subduction. Okay, it's basic physics bitaw. The heavier the object, the faster the, mas greater yung force daw na pull pa downwards. So this is what happens. Slab pull na siya. Modo pa nang bulihok ang tectonic plate So specifically, ang oceanic, hindi mo niya paubos kung sa iyang kabugaton. Di ba, mas dense ba yan niya? Less thick lang ang oceanic pero mas dense siya compared sa continental. Okay, nakakita mo. Remember lang class sa word itself, pool. Masabot, gibira. So same na sa Lord niya ba, gibira niya. Okay na? So, bigruin man yung akong dito eh. Berurat na dito. Wala ito okay mo magsuot. Anyways class, tips on good. It's actually a good thing without to draw the links. Or anything sa inyong mga subjects kay visualize bitaw ninyo daan o dun sa shape form. Ako na, makabala naman sa concept from the image itself. Okay, so let's proceed. So according to slab pool theory class, they believe that convection currents are a product of subduction. Let's say pasabot ani, conduction current, okay, produkto daw na subduction. Remember ko mo ani, ano na siya? Ito is a convection current. At nagipatungan ng plate, mo nang move, di ba? So di ba, going back sa tatong lesson last week, sa convection current daw kuno, ano sila no? Ulihok ang plate, dito namo, dito nagtuyok ni murang ng conveyor belt, di ba? O nang ulihok because of this movement sa atmosphere. So, bali, ang i-claim ni convection current sila na unang. So, ni anak ko sa slab pool theory, dito pataka mo. The subduction process results to the creation of convection current. Diba sa convection current na may magtuyok daan kung sa rising and sinking of hot materials. Ingon si slab pool, kakar mo, nignaog man gud ani nga plate, subduct niya kay mo nang nimutuyok na convection current. Diba nag-gets ninyo? O sa iyang claim sa ni slab pool. Na according to slab pool, siya dahil hinungdan nga may convection. So kung namumove ang plate, so himuan may convection sa pag-subduct sa iyang plates. Diba? So there. Dapat na, that's why it's called a theory class. It's an explanation on how things work. Pero we can't directly observe it along sa yuta. So, this theory, it's like an opposing ideas. Okay? Nagets ra? So I have here an image of the interior of the Earth. According to slab pool theory, in subduct, birahon ni Earth, birahon sa gravity, plates, parang eventually nagalihok siya. Did you know ba class nga pila man ato ang gravity ani sa Earth? Pila ang constant? Pila? Wala, lupigan mo sa gravity. Uy! Nagagawa na? Lupigan din mo sa gravity. Ay. Kaya mo ang topic ko karon is potential energy. So atong gravity class sa Earth, that's 9.8 meter per second square. Muna itong constant sa atong gravity. Constant, so it's constant na tanan. Or did you know na according to Einstein's theory of relativity, if ato siyang i-basis nila, ang gravity sa Earth has different influences throughout sa different places. Pasabot, di ba, bibutan rin 9.8 ang constant. According kang Einstein daw, sa iyang theory of relativity, ang gravity magkalailahi sa laing lugar. So, let's say, pasabutan ni, asa man magkalahil. The closer to the center of the Earth, the greater the gravity. So, more 9.8. If magtikalayo ka, magtika-less ng gravity. Pero that's only a fraction of a decimal. So, mayroon naman difference. Pero though still, it makes a difference ba? So, atong i-apply ang isa pong lesson. So, pasabot daw class, inigsoon ani niya sa plate ng sabda, kusog man ang gravity diri. Mo niya ning binahon further pa sulod. That's why ako ang plate tectonics bilog siya. There's a movement. And additional physics fact lang. Did you know nga, di ba greater ang gravity at the center of the Earth? How about sa higher places? Let's say Mount Everest. Mas less than gravity. Okay. So that's actually correct, or mo lagi ang ingon. That's only fraction of decimal. Sa gamay na siya ang difference, pero there's still difference. For example, if ako, let's say, if ari sa patag 50 kilograms ko, and abot ako sa taas, mulas na akong weight. So, ngayon na, let's say, mabot na 49.9999. So, ay difference. Pero at least, di siya 50, 9999. May ganap bitaw, nga na siya yung difference. If elevated areas, lesser ang gravity, magpika doon na ka sa sulod, mo nang strong. Mo nang binabon sa gravity sa Earth, ang kining ato ang plate tectonics. That's why it moves. Okay? Nag-gets ra ang slab pool. Again, from the word itself, slab pool, bakit yan dibira? Yan sa may nagbira-diraan nila. Ang gravity. So, unang class, ang may tabo, ay subduction, musik sa ang sa plate. Yang mo nang ginakong dahil sa gravity pa ilong. So, mga mechanism ang. Okay. So, how about for reach push? What comes into your mind when you hear reach and push? Ang reach kay gi-push. Nasaan siya guys? So, gi-push niya ang plate tectonics. So, ari sa usa gi-pull. Yang usa ang gi-push. So, pwede na sila. Yung usa na push, yung usa kay pull. So, let's find out. Okay, pwede na sila marunong kagungan yung processor. So, again class, I have here another short video regarding reach push, and I want you to listen attentively. So, same source.
Ridge push or sliding plate force is a proposed driving force for plate motion in plate tectonics. This occurs at mid-ocean ridges as the result of the rigid lithosphere sliding down the hot, raised asthenosphere below mid-ocean ridges. This gravity-driven mechanism results from the elevated position of the oceanic ridge, which causes slabs of lithosphere to slide down the flanks of the ridge. This gravity sliding ridge push model was proposed by Bott, a geologist, which states that the pushing on the plates is actually due to difference in gravitational potential energy between a plate at its spreading center and subduction zone. The asthenosphere is a zone of soft plastic material which is less dense than the riding plate above it. It acts as a massive shear zone for the overriding plate. The plate will effectively slide down the slope of the asthenosphere due to the weight difference between the plate and its spreading center and the subduction zone. Since the plate gets thicker and denser, the farther away from the spreading center, the ridge push force will increase towards the subduction zone.
Okay. So, sino sa plan sa video class? Ano sa yung ridge push? Ang sabi sa Arvegana?
Connect na siya sa slab.
Di ba, nag-connect na siya sa slab pull. Pero unsa day ang una may tabo day sa ridge push?
Ipulong sa inyo sa push.
Pull sa i-push? Hawak niya answers. Unsa inyo nasabtan sa ridge push ng video? Sige, yan sa mga miss commentator. Ano tawag sa French? Okay. So, wait seconds. At the beginning sa lesson, ako ka na nabos lang mo. Diba, nagputan ko kanit. Natin ang matan na ano sa nabula, sir, may topic nabula. So, I'll be discussing this na una na pangyari at. Okay? So, giingon nga, i-push na ko ng range. Okay, so moving forward, anong na ba mag-asa na? Asa na? Sa Iceland, kung saan siyang part sa kuan. So that's the mid-Atlantic Ridge. For example, dahil kami lang nalimtan na. Murag, kana po, gamit yung picture si balik sa mga sketch na ito. So, gamit na. So here is our mid-Atlantic Ridge. That's why, ako na po naging plus na kami nga map. Because, as you can see here, class, all the way from the top, ari, only din ang sa Iceland. Paubos, that is our mid-Atlantic Ridge. So, giingon pa ni Miss Combinador na naitabo siya along this, actually it's not branches, it's ridges. Okay? Pero more tayong pasabot na concept na. Ang pushing na puno, nahitabo diri sa ridges, ari sa mid-Atlantic Ridge. So, kasi may tabo sa ridge push. So, from the name itself, na yung push na process. Ang sabi ng push, anak at to. Diba, anak? So, mo extend yung arm, so that's push. Ay, kawas ka, so, force. Now, pull, you bring it closer to you. Okay? So, as na to confuse na to. So, first, may tabo class, in a ridge push, the convection current pushes the magma upwards, causing it to break the Earth's surface. So first, unang gitawag siya ridge push. Kaya ang convection current, good. Let's say, bear with me drawing sa hindi na nag-drawing sa anak. Ang convection current daw, sa paana nga movement. Mura bitaw, iyang pagtuyok niya, or yung na-squeeze ang magma na draa. So, kanang magma class, i-squeeze na siya sa convection current. That's why na-push siya pagawas ari sa atuang surface. Nag-gets ra kung sa yung tabo? Again, I'll take a picture later on so that you can understand further kayo. Magbindat pa kayo kung ako ang drawing. Okay. So first, convection current pushes the magma upwards. That's why it breaks through the surface. So, hindi ang atuang crust. Hindi ang yuta. And after that, the breakout of magma elevates the mid-ocean ridges, which creates a sliding gravitational pull downwards the slab pool. Masabot daw class, balik ng tayo. Makita na draw. Makita na drawing. So as this convection current, nagtuyo, push di ba ang magma? That magma causes the crust na mag-break siya, mag-buak, and then ma-elevate to in area. That's why we have our mid-Atlantic Ridge along sa surface na siya, it's the tallest mountain range, naka-form siya na ito ng heights. Di ba na taas man siya class? Mag na-warp siya pataas ba? Sa ridge po siya daw, after the ana, ipa-slope man siya. It now starts pushing the crust downwards towards natari ato ang slab pool. So bali, ang pag-push ari sa ridge push, bidawat ari sa slab pool. Na-connect na niyo kung sa may tabo. Di ba? Dawarag iyang ito, niya akong bidawat. So those are just connected. So simultaneous yung process. So I have further pictures para mas ma-visualize kung ito ninyo kung sa may tabo. So tungkol na sa again, the factor here would be the gravitational pull. Pero una may tabo, convection current, pagawas, ang magma, mo na warp siya na elevated. And lastly, this breakout magma starts pushing the plates away from each other. That's why separate na sila. And ridge push drives seafloor spreading. Na kung ano mo sa seafloor spreading? Naka-encounter naman or wala pa? Topic na. So, may background regarding that. So, modeling method of class as hot rock rises magma, one ang push niya. And if you notice it's the structure, di ba? Hindi siya flat, it's deviated. And as these plates move away from each other, sa bot model mo siya kining gravitational sliding na na-elevate siya. That's why kung sa slope, it starts now sliding. One again, downward slab pull pa sila. Ang i-push sa ridge pull. Na-visualize na what is happening. So actually it is seafloor spreading. So the spreading of the seafloor, kasi yun, the basic concept. So seafloor spreading. So the oceanic crust is renewed siya, bago. The closer to the ridge, the newer the rocks. Kaya ang daan, i-push naman yung palayo. Okay? So this is what happens in a ridge push. So according to the geologist bot sliding model of the ridge push. The sliding pushing of the plates is caused by the difference in the gravitational potential energy of the spreading center and the subducting zone. So, unsa na spreading center? So, we have the seafloor spreading. So, asa na ang spreading? Dira sa tuna, sa divergent boundaries. Dira siya nag-spread. So, that's what we call the spreading center. So, di ba, going back to their class, na-elevate man siya. So, may next picture. So, ano siya? Connected sa diba? As the rising magma causes the crust to form like that, ma-elevate siya. Una, i-push niya, and then same rugged plaza, if slope, diba it starts falling down compared to flat land. That's why the plate started sliding down towards the slab pool because of the ridge pool. Because of gravitational. So nag-gets na ninyo, na-picture out na ninyo what is happening. How about here? Nag-gets na ninyo of how connected these things are. These mechanisms ba? How about area? Picture out na ninyo mga sir. Okay. So I have here another image to further support what you think. So diba, they started pushing and tripod, as slab pull, kaya kung gidawat so yan pull. So that is what happens in a ridge pull and slab pull. Ngayon si Dilim, Ana, Binagay. So mana nagalihok lang, our plates are constantly moving because of these mechanisms. So to paint a picture, bigger picture of these three processes, that we to look across. Muna siya may tabo. The convection cell, basically, it pushes magma upwards. That's why it starts spreading, and the slab will start receiving. So based on class, kung sa'yo mauna, ang process, convection, followed by ridge push, and finally, slab. Okay. Ano po ba kayo pumunta ng Mr. Perales? Last paper siya namunta na doon. So sir, mo na yung method mo sir, hawat sa isa, di ka spoil, fix it na. Ano po ba kayo pumunta na? Yeah. Yeah, this one class, let's ridge. And here we have our mid-Atlantic ridge. Kanya, ang sarap itong ridges, these are, isa siya nga center. It's the spreading center. Pasabot din siya nagkakatag. So this here class, our mid-Atlantic ridge, it started spreading the lakes. So, tungod ka nag-spread man siya, kung sa may tabo. Muna siya ang balik sequence of. So, did you know, the Atlantic Ocean is expanding at a rate of 1 to 10 centimeters per year. It's not that much, pero throughout a million of years, dako na siyang area. So, kini daw class, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, mo na Atlantic Ocean. Nag-expand siya. And as a consequence of the expansion of the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean is shrinking rather, so nigamay at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per year. So as this one spreads, this one shrinks. So picture out ninyo. So I have here a DIY model kulungan to further display on what is happening. So ganyan yung nakita, are they the same level? Diba? This is elevated. Anong elevated man siya? So these are the Mid-Atlantic Ridge one. Because of seafloor spreading. So sa ridge push, diba na-elevate that? Same at may tabo. So now class, to paint a picture of what is happening, imagine this Atlantic Ocean. Yan mo niya ako ang spreading center dito pita. Naman yung Mid-Atlantic Ridge. And dito ako ang subduction zone. So nag-expand pa daw siya. So what have you observed? Diba? Kaya nga, nagtikadako ang Atlantic and at the same time, the Pacific started shrinking. And eventually, fast forward in a million years of time, nawa ng Pacific Ocean, pero we have a bigger Atlantic Ocean. Diba? So these are just connected processes within our crust. Muna, wala, since nasa tayo Pacific Ocean ka, mag-enjoy sa ninyo. Airport po, ano na siya? Class, may pumunta na si Mr. Mirales. Siya, sir, ang Pandia, di ba na pagbuhok? Base pa lang rin sa ato ang i-paint image, picture, mechanism. Kita Philippines, nata dali na kita. May subduction zone ng area niya, natin Philippines. Ano na biyakin? So sa pag-move daw niya, saan yung tabo? Natin ang Philippines. Wala na po, yung nato ba ng Amerika, no? Silingan na nato na sa Likas Isla. So that the mechanism of plate tectonic movement, and eventually the Pangea, as theorized upon based on current observations, it will reform in time. Mabuo siya ang balik. Okay, na-gets na class? So again, unsa ang yung process din sa book sa pang spreading center? Convection current, ridge push or slab pull? Ay, slab push. Okay. So ridge push, yeah, okay. Siya may spreading center. Again, ridges are spreading center. So pasabot, na siya ay ridge push nila. And, ang sarap ito mga theory class na nag-state na the heavier the plate, more rason nga nung sink siya because it is pulled down. So that is slab pull theory. So na-distinguish niyo yung difference sa dalawa. Data, what is ridge push theory? Sige, ikaw. Ano yung history? Sige, ikaw, Miss Pahardo. Sige, na may ridge push, Miss Pahardo. Okay, so ridge push pushes the magma upwards, which results in seafloor spreading. How about for slab pull theory? Sige, Mr. Mirales. Sige, sana. Okay, thank you. So, again, class, slab pull theory. According to Mr. Mirales, ang kabukaton niya, kung ang pull niya focus. So, just remember our activity earlier regarding the clip. So, more pa siya similar process. Okay? Klaro na ganyan nga namin, like, kapalo, hindi nila sa unasin. So, in summary, subduction of plates movement is driven further with the pull of gravity towards the weight of the slab of the plate. I-highlight na lang po. So, kung sa nag-drive niya rin, the pull of gravity. Yeah. Sige, screenshot sa inyong mga mata. So, ridge push. Convection current is the magma. Resulting in the uplifted structure of the meat or so, as it is uplifted, na naman siya information nga na, pa-slope pa. So, the difference in communication of uncertainty pushes the plate downwards. Okay? Any questions? Clarifications? Violent reaction? Sir, hindi mag-face ka ron. Hindi na-extend na sa mga problema na sa sir. Nagutom na rin sir. Ay, kausap ito rin. Last topic na muna ito niya. Next week, last 2 days na muna ito. Sige, 30 seconds. Wala, wala sa graph. Okay, class, so keep all your notes and get your quiz notebook. Ready, quiz time. Mana na the cake is saying niyo. Okay, so write a date for today, and their topic is about big food and slab food and big food. So for test 1, is say whether you have. Okay, say multiple choice. Sa actually classes, ako na po yung may senyorya. Magwal ko na mabalukod eh. So gusto niya i-say ito ako ang case niya. Yan na, ito si Ma'am na. Pwede lang natin yung multiple choice na presented. Kasi name na nga rin. That's why multiple choice. For this still test your explaining regarding the topic. Okay, for test 1, write only the letter, the best answer to your quiz. So small letter lang ha, kasi na yung magkapital letter diyan. Again, small letter. So for number 1. Write only the letter and nakapila ang dapat sa letter lang. Okay na? Okay, let's proceed. Fill the blanks. The blank the plate, the faster it sinks because the pulling force is stronger on objects with blank paths. So again, ang first word, arin siya niya, second word. So just choose. Have A, heavier, lesser. Heavier than greater, or letter B, and letter C, lighter than greater. And letter D, lighter or lesser. Okay na? Proceed yan, proceed. Sige. Sa'yo na, number 3. ask yet. According to slab pool theory, convection current is a product of black. So according to slab pool theory, convection current is a product of black. What? That's black. Write the letter. Klaro or just hindi? Okay, very good. Sino yung mga nearsighted raw? Pwede rin mo doon. Okay na, class? Number 4. What is the main driver of the slab cooling process? Okay na? Number 5. The denser plates abduct to the less dense plate. So, what step of that filter is this? Kapila na kung siya? Based on what we discussed. Okay na? Mas pasa yung concept. Punto is, huwag ipagluto na. Sorry, kaya. Number 6, what theory states that the convection current pushes the magma upwards, which results in the uplifted structure of the oceanic crust. Okay na, class? Okay, there's pa sa inyo sila. Mantay ang score na. There's pa sa inyo. Number 7, which push is driven by blank? Yes. Mana? Number 8, the ridge push movement of the plates is also known as, so it's the movement na. Okay na? Sige. Organado kayo mag-consider daw. Thus, convection current pushes the magma upwards, the oceanic crust form a uplifted structure. So, kapila na siya ang step. It starts with pushing the magma upwards. Kapila siya first, second, third, fourth. Okay na? Number 10, ridge push elevates the oceanic crust and the subduction zone pulls the weight of the tectonic plates further downwards due to the difference in gravitational potential energy. This shows us that ridge push and slab push are blank. Growing process, different process, lower process, or simultaneous process. Okay na? Ito na yung liquid mo. Sorry kayo ha. Sige class, moments out. Okay, moments out. And then exchange your notebook with your seatmate. So for number 1, so the answer is letter D. So slab, that is slab pool theory. Number 1 is D. Number 2, Ay, balik ng water. Number 2. So that is letter A. So the heavier the plate, the faster it sinks because the pulling force is stronger on objects with plates. Oh, A nun, that's letter B. Letter B. The heavier the plate, the faster it sinks because the pulling force is stronger on objects with greater mass. Pasabot, mas kusog ang pagtira kung ibuhat siya. So that, number 1 is A. Number 2 is B. Number 3, D. Ay, sorry. So D and then B. So number 3, for example, theory convection current is a product of subduction. So that's letter A. Number 4, what is the main driver of the slab moving process? So that is gravity. Number 4 is C. Number 5, the laser plate subduction resistance plate. So that is first. So unang mag-subduct. Unang natin ginahon by down. So that is first. 5 is A. Number 6. So this is letter C, ridge push theory. So number 7, ridge push is driven by, that is convection current. Iba i-push na sa convection current, ina. So for number 8, ridge push movement is also known as, that is C-floor spreading. Ang movement na nasa sabot, that is C-floor spreading. And number 9, convection current pushes the magma upwards. So that is the first step. Hindi ba nato may magma-push pataas kaya para naatay grabot vesicle. So that is first. And number 10, A or B? So di ba? Pasabutan nila sa ridge push yang i-uplift. Kaya para ang slab pull ni dawaton. So that is letter D. Simultaneous. Pasabot, kasunod na sila ang proseso. Okay. So total, you're not force. So class, congratulations. This is your last quiz for the quarter. The first annual quiz is okay, class. Right, so as I call your name, give me your scores. Abinoha? Ha? 7. Abrigana? Abajo? 4. Nanaire? Yurango? Certo? Nariba? Virales? Morales? Nagal? Oliverio? Roche? 4. Rosales? Sanico? 5. Ano rin siya sino? Johan naman Diyos. Quazon? Adlaon? 3. Alcantara? Galito? 4. Alsado? Arbasa? Asis? Bungkales? Ilan? 6. Brehildo? 7. Minador? 8. Costello? Curios? Evangelista? 4. Pardo.
5,
Gabas.
7,
Gika.
4.
Buangko. William.
absent,
Absent, excuse. Ignacio.
3,
Labadia.
7,
Dikin.
8,
Ricardo.
5,
Lomot. Oh, sorry. Lipangog sa Lipangog. Lipangog. Lomot.
9,
Montante.
5,
Morales.
4,
Excuse me. Rojas.
5,
Roque.
4,
Sedaya.
1,
Uy, ganun eh. Sedaya bien.
5,
Sumayod.
6, 7,
Surigao.
9,
Tapos. Biliber. Okay. So, that's the assignment eh. Gagawin mo po. So for those who got score of 7 to 10, read in advance, read articles in the internet about seafloor spreading, and then write on a 1/2 crosswise sheet of paper what you have understood about the seafloor spreading. So read articles on the internet regarding seafloor spreading, and then write it in a 1/2 sheet of paper. That's for those who got 7 to 10. For those who got lower than 7, label the parts and write your answers in a 1/4 sheet of paper. Label the parts, just write your answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So kindly take a picture like that. Pili mo din. Okay na. That's only 5 points. Ang 7 to 10 is read articles on the internet regarding seafloor spreading, and then write on a 1/2 crosswise sheet of paper what you have understood regarding seafloor spreading. Okay? Klaro na?
Yes, sir.
Gutom na lang? Correct kayo, ma'am? Okay, so, thank you, goodbye class.
Goodbye and thank you, sir. Goodbye and thank you, teachers.
Okay,